Yeah, you get what you want.
What are you going to give Kane?
Chicken.
What, you're going to have a piece of chicken?
Oh, I like barbecue and rice.
You don't want a piece of chicken?
No,
Will Riza have a piece of chicken?
I guess.
Don't guess, it's not a guessing game.
Okay, you'll have this, one of this, and two of this.
You've got to leave enough left for him. I'm going to have some rice as well, I like that rice.
And Jumacho, you want more? You have finished the whole.
I just dropped a little bit of rice on the floor. He looked at it and just ignored it.
Eat this! Okay. Two stick nga, second stick na yan, bebe, ah. Grabe. Yeah. Just don't eat this skewer. Diba? Don't eat the stick. Mas marami ka pa nakain sa akin, Macho, kaysa sa, ano, ah.
Sige, gid macho pala, be. Ay, ta.
Okay, matusok ka in town, bebe. Don't care. Diba? Sarap, ah.
Para man ako harap sa kon macho. Oh, the Lord. Oh, that girl.
Sarap?
Masa mo ko na nasos?
Chili chicken.
Ang gata na. Yes, look.